Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Dove Exfoliating Body Polish Scrub, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Moderate exfoliation, made with medium-sized exfoliating particles. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish Macadamia and rice milk are smooth and easily spreadable with a mild lather. Moisture-rich formula. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish is formulated with our 1/4 moisturizing cream for instant softness.Aluminum-free.Paraben free. Removes dull dry skin and restores skin's natural nutrients. When used as a body scrub, Dove Exfoliating Body Polish gently removes dead skin cells to reveal a new layer of beautiful, radiant skin. Indulgent fragrance. The collective synergy of macadamia and floral notes increases comfort and care every time you exfoliate. A fragrant addition to your skincare routine. Care while you exfoliate. Massage Dove Exfoliating Body Polish onto wet skin in the shower, before you cleanse with your favorite Dove body wash or Dove beauty bar. Thoughtfully made, this body scrub is PETA-certified cruelty-free. I feel good about switching to Dove. A great addition to your skincare routine. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.